My name's Sterling, aka Boy Black, your stream tech wizard. And today, I'm going to be reviewing my favorite MMO mouse of all time. That's right, guys. I've actually bought this mouse twice in my lifetime as a computer gamer, which has been over, what, 15 years by now, at least, minimum, you know what I'm saying? I've bought this mouse twice. Definitely the highest of my mouse buying records, since I've probably only had like 3 mice? What's the multiple of computer gaming mouse? Let me know in the comment section down below. But over my lifetime as a gamer, I've had this mouse twice, and that mouse is the Logitech G600. This mouse has over 20 programmable buttons, which sounds insane, but if you're a heavy World of Warcraft player like myself, then you probably already know about this mouse, or at least heard of it, and you know that having 20 extra buttons to like keybind macros or other really cool stuff like that can be the difference between life or death. So, without further ado, let me jump into this review and explain to you guys why the Logitech G600 is my favorite MMO gaming mouse ever. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I have owned this mouse twice, or at least bought this mouse twice before in my lifetime. This is the original mouse that I bought. I swear, I feel like I'm gonna like choke myself. Oh my god, this is dangerous. Jeez. This is the original mouse that I bought back in, I believe, 2012 is when I originally first got this mouse. Get a little ASMR for you guys. It's originally when I got this mouse, and I bought it for World of Warcraft, unaware of the amount of power that I was about to come forth upon. And this is the second one I've bought. This is a newer one. This is maybe, I want to say maybe a month old. I've had time to readjust my play style and my palm grip from the G502 Hero, which I also have a review up on. If you guys haven't checked that out, check out that review. But I was able to adjust my grip because this is obviously a different grip. This is actually a larger mouse, so the mouse itself requires more of like a palm grip rather than like the G502, which I feel like I just like, you know what I'm saying? Like it's like my whole hand, like I'm like, or like not even my whole hand. It's like the 3 fingers, you know? That kind of grip is what I do on the G502. But for this, I definitely have to do like a full like pop, you know what I'm saying? Palm grip. Like, and it's a different feeling. But I've had time to readjust my grip and my playstyle on WoW back to what I was using before when I had my original G50 or my G600. I think I said G502 like 3 times, but my original G600. I was able to readjust, so I've had time to like play around with this. And honestly, from the first time that I bought this to now, it literally holds up exactly the same. This, in my opinion, is the best MMO mouse ever, period. You know what I'm saying? If you guys think that you have a better MMO mouse than this, let me know in the comment section down below. But honestly, I think this is the best MMO mouse. Logitech really kind of nailed it on the head for like, in my opinion, obviously. These buttons, once you get used to the grip of this mouse, and the build quality overall, this mouse that I had right here, I had for over, what, 6 years? And that was through rough play. That was through like raiding, like full-time, like mythic raiding, and like playing some heavy games on this. I think I even played League of Legends on this as well for a while. And Lord knows, I got real mad while playing that game. So if that can survive all that, the build quality on the G600 is honestly astonishing. And as well as these buttons right here. You see, when I first bought this mouse, I was unaware of a feature that I learned about when I was rewatching a review on the G600 before I actually made this video. And that is the G-Shift feature that is in the G-Hub software that comes with the mouse. It's like Razer Synapse software. It allows you to customize each individual button. You can customize each individual button on the G-Hub software, as well as using the G-Shift, which allows you to essentially have a second layer of each one of these buttons. So you have, yeah, what, 12 on this side, on just this side right here. And so it's like, you take this, you have like almost like a shift, like you hold shift and you have like a completely different function. Honestly, a lot for my brain to hold in whenever I think about it. Like whenever I said it out loud, I was like, dang, that's a lot of keys. Yeah, like I said, with this build quality and the amount of functionality that you get out of just these 12 buttons, let alone the other programmable buttons that come on this mouse, is quite insane. As of the time of recording this video, the Logitech G600 is sitting at $39.99 on Amazon. And I actually have an Amazon link in the description for you guys. If you guys want to click on that, if you guys are interested in picking up this amazing MMO mouse, and overall mouse in general, you guys can click on that link down there. It is an affiliate link. It does help out the channel a lot, but it doesn't cost you guys anything extra. It's just like a way of us telling Amazon that we sent you guys there. So they're like, oh, okay, here's a little something for helping someone else, essentially. You know what I mean? Like, cause honestly, I will preach to the heavens and back about the G600. Logitech hit the nail on the head. I said, kind of hit the nail on the head earlier in the video. I'm gonna delete that. Redact it. They hit the nail on the head. I'll stand on this. You know what I'm saying? I'll stand on the side of the Logitech G600 being the best MMO mouse that I've ever seen today. You know, and one thing I've noticed recently about doing these mouse reviews, whether it be the Logitech G600 or the Logitech G502 Hero, which is also a mouse that's been around for a while. I believe the Logitech G502 original model before the Hero sensor had been around since 2014. So that's a mouse that has been around for a schminute, a little bit of time, you know what I'm saying? And the Logitech G600 has been around since 2012, another very old mouse. So that being said, I feel like a lot of these old mouses have really stood the test of time, at least in the Logitech's mouses. I can't say as much for other mouses yet because we haven't done reviews on those yet, right? And which we will, but as far as Logitech, I gush over Logitech mouses. So thank you guys so much for watching this amazing review of the Logitech G600 MMO gaming mouse. I put the MMO part on there, Logitech, so please don't come at me if that's a problem. I just think it's the best MMO mouse. It's just period, dude. I can't help it. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys slap a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you want. My name is Sterling, aka Boy Black, your stream tech wizard, and on this channel I do reviews of all type of awesome technology, mostly around gaming and like stream production. So I got some cool reviews that I have planned for you guys coming up. I want to review like the Elgato lights. I know you guys have probably seen those around recently, and some audio equipment as well. There's some really cool audio equipment, and we're gonna be exploring on both the pro side and the budget side. So whether you're a bigger streamer who's thinking about, you know, using that tier 3 sub money on a new camera, or you're just starting out on Twitch and you're trying to push that little get to your affiliate status, this channel will definitely cover all of the equipment and review some of the tech that you guys will be interested in looking at. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification to stay connected with the channel, and you already know what it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is your Stream Tech Wizard signing out.